मैंने जो प्रश्न पूछा है उसमें मराठवाड़ा और विदर्भ के लिए मैंने पूछा था, लेकिन उसमें मराठवाड़ा का नाम नहीं है। लेकिन मैं आपके माध्यम से मंत्री जी को पूछना चाहता हूं कि मराठवाड़ा और विदर्भ में देश के और कई हिस्सों में बारिश कम होने के कारण सूखे की स्थिति पैदा हो गई है और उसके कारण वहां रोजगार के अवसर भी कम हुए हैं। मराठवाड़ा में ज़्यादातर ज्वारी, गेहूं और गन्ने की खेती और विदर्भ में धान की खेती करीब खराब हो गई है और उसमें मजदूरी करने वाले की जो आय है, अर्जित करने वाले का आय है, उनकी उम्मीदें खाली हाथ बैठने के सिवा और कुछ नहीं है। दूसरी ओर सरकार ने रोजगार गारंटी के तहत नरेगा योजना जो लागू की है, मैं आपके माध्यम से मंत्री जी को पूछना चाहता हूं कि यहाँ विदर्भ और मराठवाड़ा में सबसे ज़्यादा आत्महत्याएं हुई है। अगर खेती में रोजगार के अवसर कम हुए हैं तो ये नरेगा योजना जो है उसके तहत जो छोटे तालाब है, जो सिंचाई के क्षेत्र है, उसमें काम करके किसान के तरफ से नहीं सरकार के तरफ से पैसे देके यहाँ नरेगा योजना लागू की जाएगी क्या? ये मेरा प्रश्न है।
आप बहुत अलग पूछ रहे हैं। यस, वुड यू लाइक टू से समथिंग?
See that about the region Marathwada, where the question was raised. In fact, I don't want to compare or anything, but the information which has been provided by Government of Maharashtra regarding suicide, the total number of the suicide this year in the Marathwada region is 48, which is serious, and Vidarbha region it is 154. So there is a difference between Marathwada region and Vidarbha region. Vidarbha region situation is more serious than Marathwada. That is one. Secondly, the percentage of irrigation in Marathwada as compared to Vidarbha is better. And last 3-4 years, number of schemes has been taken by the state government with the support of Government of India in that region. So, and they are in the process of completion. Honorable member has said that particular area has a crop of jowar.
कृपया शांति रखें।
Crop of jowar and others, it is correct. But that particular region has the second highest crop of sugarcane. Honorable member himself is the chairman of one sugar mill, and he himself is running that sugar mill in that particular area. But this year, average rainfall in that belt is less. Reservoir position is not comfortable. That has affected the sugarcane and other crops, in particularly Marathwada region. And state government, with the support of Government of India, has taken many actions which will ultimately help to the people from that area. Narega is not that popular in state of Maharashtra because there is a practice for last practically 40 years, and one scheme which is very popular called Employment Guarantee Scheme, which has been started by the state. So local people and particularly laborers, they prefer Employment Guarantee Scheme to Narega. But when the Narega has been introduced, Government of India is pushing Narega. Government of India has no objection if the state wants to implement both the schemes that will provide more opportunity, employment opportunity to vulnerable sections of the society. And our latest report is up to 4 December 2009, the number of the households who had joined in the Narega has definitely improved, and whatever the total number has been about 78.4 crores man-days were created only exclusively for women category. And the total man-days which are created 155 crore in that particular belt. That's why Narega is getting day by day accepted. Women are getting more opportunity. Question is essentially opportunity for women in the rural area, and the situation is definitely